swim deep.
Once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, she started.
Oh, man. And it was dog eyes they got her into it?
Yep. Fucking dog eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss. But when we were kids, you were the only person who was nice to me. You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem. You need anything? Just come ask.
No, this is gonna piss dog eyes off.
Hey, you want that little refreshment?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Do that! Okay, I will pay.
I'm glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. The dog guy won't be happy.
You killed him.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back toy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! This isn't good. What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk! Come on! Get back up!
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf.
Hello? 冇晒我啊！
有冇攞籌啊？
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection. Go tell Dog Eyes he's marking for Winston.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Man, we need to get you outfitted. Over here, people need to know you're one of us. We got an image to maintain, only the best brands. People gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely, it's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
Can I interest you in some videos? These are the latest. Perfect for you. Thanks. Come again. Come again. Call me if you need further help
Get back
with
to
your
Winston.
wardrobe.
That was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
Hey, what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie! You're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you! Don't fuck with me.
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. We should probably be going before they get.
Is the new guy around? Wow, my God!
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
You! Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. Say nothing more. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No，唔好叫我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎，我食多過你食米啦，我知我係啱嘅。你有冇乜諗嘢啊？
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語言同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啦！廢話，呢啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我？鬼同你死啊！
你認輸晒你嗰個人啊！
我哋冇時間俾你咁氣啊！Hey big man, you want some new clothes?
Yes, come on. What? You need good soup.
Okay. Hey sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let
Hey,
me
you! You hungry, huh? Hey, you want clothes? Hey!
Hollywood movies.
Come on! Let me show you around.
I'm looking for me. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Anything you need at the market, come talk to me. You make it up for me tonight. Got a deal.
嚇？我真係要咁做？
Mate, I got a message.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! Watch out! Hey!
Oh, shit!
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed! Wait! He's up there! Fuck! Yeah, they want to hold Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! You little toe higher! Fuck you up! Fuck you up! Dog guy's gonna kill you.
Fuck dog guys. Winston owns this shit. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Now, 快走啊！係咯，咁對。
That's it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But, sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad. And not only is it against
Well, for God's
protocol...
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fuck. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.